Hello and welcome to this short video showing how we carry out consolidations within D365 Finance and Operations. First thing to do would be to create a new legal entity. So we'd have a legal entity which is a configuration entity. You can tell it's a configuration entity because we've got these tick boxes ticked. It's to be used for financial configuration, consolidation, and also that it can be used for eliminations. Next, when we're in that company, we'd go and we would create a consolidation online. So we'd give the consolidation a name, then we'd pull the main accounts we want to pick, so we can put any range we want to do there. We can say we can use consolidation accounts, but we're not going to do that here. Consolidation accounts are accounts which are set up separately and linked to main accounts to be used if you have multiple charts of accounts across your business. We pick the period that we want to consolidate and how we want to consolidate, whether we want to consolidate accounting currency or reporting currency. When you've got multiple legal entities with different currencies, I would recommend you always use reporting currency. And we say, what do we want to include? We will have here actual amounts, no budgets, and we will rebuild balances. When we click on the next tab to financial dimensions, these are all the financial dimensions that are available within this system. There's an awful lot. We don't need to use them all. We would pick the ones that we wanted to use. So business unit, departments and cost centre, project. I'm going to take business unit off because I identify the ones that I'm using because I have a letter in front of them. We could have site. Legal entities, next we pick the legal entities we're going to use. So for this, I've got a company called GBSI and a company called USSI. We do not have to have multiple legal entities to be consolidated, but really you need at least two. You can have as many as you want to add. So if I wanted to add another one, I could just click new, and then I can pick from all the legal entities that are available in this test environment. I'm just going to remove that. We can then say, do we want to run eliminations? I've got an elimination rule set here, which will create an elimination journal. We then look at the currency translation. If I'm using different currencies, I can set here which accounts that I want to use, so the source legal entity, what the currency is, and where we want to put any differences. I'm not going to do that at the moment. And then we've got running background, which is saying, how do we want to do it? We want to run it in a batch process, and we click OK. When we click OK, it goes away and creates transactions for the consolidation. Those transactions can be seen if we go into modules, consolidations, modules, consolidations, consolidation transactions. Can see here, this is the one that we've just done here. And here, so we have the transactions that have been picked up from both companies. We can look at those transactions. There won't be very many because this is a test environment. So these are the transactions that I'm pulling through with amounts. And those transactions are then available to be reported on using financial reporting. Thank you very much.